Hey, what's up, guys? So, welcome to another live stream in London Session, and today is July 11th. Now, today we do have news on pound in about 26 or 27 minutes. Uh, the pound yen looks good here, and it seems like it is moving up, but because we do have news here in about half an hour, so maybe we shouldn't trade pound yen before the news at this moment, although this does look good and it looks interesting, this setup. Yeah, but anyway, because of the news I'm not going to trade it before that. Gold seems to be having trouble finding a direction for the past, I think, few hours. If I look at the 4 hour, maybe past more than hour, it has been moving like this for the past, I think, few weeks, since I think 21st June, or maybe yeah, before, I think around 21st June. So the line you are seeing here at the top, this light blue line, that is 190, actually 1933.74 price line. So at 4 hour we do see a lot of rejection, price trying to reach this line and then moving down a couple of times. So now that this current 4 hour is also trying to reach there, but if we look at the 30-minute, we do have a bearish candle here at the 30-minute, and let's see if we have enough range at the top. So at the top we do have 35 pips range, so that is an enough range, but it is a this whole area is kind of like a problematic area, so I guess we will have to wait and see what happens. If we look at the 15-minute on the left, we do have this level here, that is 1930.27. so price seems to be rejecting that level at this point, around 1930 here as well. So, and below this we have like 17 pips range, not enough. So the sells would make sense below 1924.65. So we do have like a 24 pips range, which is not enough, but yeah, still, because of the volume, price might be able to push down to that level, and even maybe beyond that to this level, that is 1914.13. so I think we need to wait for this 30-minute at least, and then see where the price goes on. Dollar yen, let's say on the left, what do we have? So the level 4 hour level is down below here, that is 139.96. so we do have a clear range here, but we need to go, find some kind of confirmation in order to take a sell. Otherwise, if we want to take a buy, we need to go at least closed above this level. But then again, this is like 24 pips, 25 pips away, and this level here is around, if you look at the bottom, that is 40. So it is a tradable range, but again we need some kind of confirmation here. Let's look at the 15 minutes. So 15 minute was not really enough confirmation, although this is a 15-minute engulfing candle, but we do have this level here. Let's look at 1 hour. So previous 1 hour rejected this level, currently this is also rejecting. So I guess if it breaks the high of this bullish candle, we might expect it to go, but the stop loss would be too high, like 33 pips. That's too high. Let's see if we can put the stop. No, we can't put a stop here at the 30 pips. That's too much high. Yeah, 30 pips stop is too much. So can we put a stop loss below current 30-minute candle? Let's see. Yeah, that would have been ideal if it had even a slightly lower wick, like touching this level here. So if it has touched this level, the lower wick, we could have put the stop loss here around 16-17 pips and then maybe moved up. So let's see what happens. So pound yen is looking really interesting, but because of the news, so guys, I should wait at least for the 15-minute candle to close and then see if we get a confirmation or not. So the 15-minute candle just closed on dollar yen, and it just closed right at the level, slightly maybe above it, and it closed without a top wick. So yeah, there is no buy yet. We need to wait for this 30-minute candle to close. So it will be a good idea, just waiting for the 30-minute candle to close, because it will also be a 1 hour candle close, and then if the next candle wicks down and breaks high, we can expect it to move up. So definitely a good idea to wait for this candle to close on 30 minutes. And on gold, well, yeah, gold is not doing anything. so we have 5 minutes for this 30-minute and 1 hour candle to close, and the buys will only make sense if this 30-minute candle closes above this level, that is 140.79. so if it closes bearish or below that with the weak bullish candle, then I think the buys would not make sense, because that means the 15-minute candle close like a bearish candle. So pound is just trying to move down before the news. We do have a clear range here on pound dollar, but still the price here is at this level, and this is like a 20 pips. Yeah, I think, let's see, 15-minute, 1 hour, 30 minutes H4. Yeah, it has a long way to go down if it will go. Okay, so gold is, I think, also waiting maybe for the news. I don't know. Okay, so the candle is about to close. That looks good on 1 hour as well. And yeah, pound yen, well, the news is there. So the only thing that looks favorable at this moment is either pound dollar or dollar yen, but pound do have a news event, so let's see what happens. So news came and the pound seems to be moving up, and let's see what happens. Let's check the forest factory, still pending. Okay, the pound seems to be moving down. It picked up, moving down. Dollar is moving up, dollar yen. So now we can place a stop loss. Sorry. We now can place the stop loss below the last 30-minute candle, that is around 14 pips away. So pound is going to go down, and let's say, okay, so claimant count change was bad news and average earnings was good news. So I don't know how to read that. So pound is moving up now. I think average earnings rate was better, had a greater influence on it. So 4-hour candle closed on gold and it closed bullish. But if you look at the left areas, there are many times when candle closed in that area, but then it just moved down. So yeah, it's a bit difficult. I think I would go with the dollar yen. Stop loss is below previous 30-minute candle, and my TP is going to be below that level, right? I think at this wick around 30 pips. And if we need to manage the trade, let's say if it breaks the low of the previous 15-minute candle, I'm going to close the half position. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I have about let's see, so around slightly more than 1% at risk. Gold is also moving up. So this trade is basically based on the 1-hour candle and the last 30-minute candle. So let's see how it goes. On 50-minute, the last candle was kind of like a doji candle, so you need to be careful. Let's look at the 5 minutes. Okay, I think 15 minutes is better. So 5 minutes candle closed on dollar yen for the new hour, and it closed like a dochi. So this candle high is around at 15 pips, so if it reaches that level I'm going to close, I think 75% maybe. Let's see how the price moves. So there can be also a probability that this 4-hour candle is getting a top wick and to move down, but yeah, anything is possible. Pound really did move up, you know. And Yen pair it moved like 30 pips. Yeah. We are right around 5 pips, slightly, yeah, 5 pips on dollar yen. So gold is moving up, which means dollar is going down. So 5-minute candle is about to close. Yeah, so 5-minute candle is kind of seems like it is rejecting top area. Yeah, that doesn't seem to be a good trade anymore. But we still have 5 minutes left for the 15-minute candle to close, and we should wait, I think, for the 15-minute candle to close, or if we will manage the trade. So dollar didn't go up. So this candle turned bearish, which is a bad sign. Gold is looking good. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's not getting up anymore. It seems like it. We are kind of getting like a bearish engulfing candle on 5 minutes. So if it breaks the low of this level, I'm going to close. So 50-minute closed like a doji here on gold. That's strange. Not strange, but indecisive yet. The price seems to be moving down. So let's see what happens. Yeah, it's not going to go up anymore, I think. Although the setup did look good, but yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, it's gone now. It's not going up now. Let's remove the stop loss here, slightly here. Okay, so I'm going to close it now because that does not make sense anymore. So we had less than 1% loss today. Actually, I had our less than 1% loss today. Yeah, it did look good. 30, we had rejections on 30 minutes, and then this one was a bullish engulfing candle. 1 hour was also good, but yeah, price didn't move. Okay, so it is what it is, and there is nothing we can do about it. So on gold we did closed, I think we did close above it, and it seems to be moving up, so that seems to be a good trade on gold. The stop loss would be 20 pips, that's too high. I think I'm going to enter in gold now because the setup looks good. Let's see. 5 minute, 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know. That would be an emotional trade on gold, so it's not good. Although it does look good, this setup does look good. enter in gold. Yeah, stop loss is a bit high. Let's see if we can get around 15 pips from it. Okay, so gold seems to be rejecting that, and it is let's see on the left. Yeah, we do have this 5 minutes level here. Okay, so we are getting first bearish candle as soon as I entered. 5 after 25 minutes. And it was bullish engulfing and it was a good. Let's see how it goes. Let's look at the 5 minute level, where the level is. So 5 minute level is just right where we entered. Which was a 15-minute wick. So 5 minutes seems to be struggling a lot, and it closed weak bullish. I don't know what should I think about it. We have around 27 pips for it to move to reach this blue level. Yeah, we are getting a bearish engulfing candle right now. Not a good sign in 1 minute. So this 5-minute close will also be a 30-minute close. Yeah, that is interesting. So I'm going to move the stop loss right there to reduce the risk. The 30-minute candle has moved a lot. We can expect a retracement. We are at 5 pips, less than 1 minute to close this 30-minute candle. 6 pips, 7 pips. You know what, I'm going to close half at this point and move the stop loss to break even. Let's see where it goes. So we now have a loss of a 0.5%. Let's see how it goes. Will it goes to the 15 pips or not? Okay, we have a loss of 4.54%. Not 4.54, but exactly $4.54. So in 1 minute we are getting a retracement. Yeah, not a good sign. You know, 5 minutes moved a lot, so there might be a retracement here. But I would like to see it to go to at least 10 pips. So we have like three full bullish candles, 15 minutes. So yeah, there is a retracement here going on. So if it reaches 10 pips, I'm going to close my full position. Seems like we are getting a bearish candle on 5 minute. First bearish candle on 5 minute. All I want is just 10 pips, which it does not seem to give me. Okay, we did reach each other, and I'm going to close 90% here. And move the stop loss to just right below that. Now if it hits TP or SL, any of the two things. Okay, let's see where ITP is. Okay, it did hit TP and go beyond a little bit. Yeah, so I'm expecting it to touch this 1933 line now. So our entry point was I think right 1930.99, 1930 point, let's say 1930.999. Yeah, it was a bit late, you know, right there. No, 1930.99. Okay, so that was a late entry. Wouldn't you should have been right there. So 1930.99, and then price moved like 22 pips. So yeah, it did move, and it seems to be touching that area now, the blue line. Let's see if it touches or not. So overall today was like a break-even day today. One loss and one kind of like a profit. So overall it was a break-even day. So guys, that's all for today, and hopefully this stream has been kind of like helpful for you. And yeah, nobody actually watched the stream. Anyway, so there is no views on the stream yet. I don't know, man, what should I do? So that was our today's two trades, and that's all for today. So do watch if you are watching this stream after, and actually if you are watching it, definitely you are watching it after it has ended. So there are some lessons to learn. We learned how to manage our trade which was in loss. It was going against us, and then we did enter into a second trade, that was a gold trade. And the reason of entering the gold trade was like this, we closed above this level which we have marked that on the left, that is 1928.70. so closed above, bearish candle form, the next candle form like a weak bullish type of candle. So when I went on the 15 minutes, so we did get a 15-minute bullish engulfing, but we still had this level. Then we did close above that 15-minute candle, and then price was slightly trying to struggle. If we look at 5 minutes, you see there price was slightly trying to struggle here. So but I did enter here, and then price started moving up, and the TP was at 15 pips. So it just reached close to that, and we started getting like this kind of rejection, but then it slightly moved, just quickly moved up all of a sudden. And the level that I have marked here was 1933.74, and I was hoping for that it will at least touch that level, and it seems like it is going beyond that. So at 4 level, I'm going to think that it is going to go above these wicks here, and maybe touch that 1938.21 level, maybe. I can't say about it, but I didn't want to be in the trade that long. But yeah, definitely that was a good trade. Okay, it jumped higher. Yeah, man. Just imagine if I had the full position open. Just look at the 5 minutes candle. Wow, 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 wow. This is, I think, the 1 minute candle. Wow, look at that. I think there was no news here, but still it just jumped. It just grabbed that liquidity. Oh, that was a great move. I missed the whole move, but the day was not lost, completely lost. We did learn something. Okay, guys, I might see you tomorrow, and take care, guys, and yeah, goodbye.